Oh, it's chucking it down the rain.
Go on then. Hello and welcome back to our Adidas group. We are all
It's raining.
so we are back again. we went to the seaside.
Oh, I can't stand out here. I'm
Well, it's
freezing.
Why are you acting like this? It's not. So somebody is trying to run away from the camera. So we've got Adidas group here. I took Mr. always right to the seaside, and he almost passed out because of the because of the weather. So we got. We are the right channel. And
Mr. Right, it's freezing cold.
and so we're back again.
I can't get my jacket. Get my jacket on. I'm cold. Please. I'm freezing. I'm freezing.
So this is how it is. We're coming for our summer break. So the sun is not out today. So we managed to go to the seaside, and then someone is coming out again. Is that cold?
I'm freezing.
So we got our Adidas day today, and it's trying to cover us. So show them. Yeah.
There you go, Adidas.
So
Adidas.
Miss-
Adidas.
since I brought Mr. Always Right
And
to
new shoes as well.
so did for holiday, Mr. Always Right didn't want to be near the sea, but he wanted to be by the seaside. So how did you want to cope when we come to the seaside? Running away. Is that your hand?
That's what you done with now when you
Oh,
grabbed
sorry.
me.
It's you that run away.
Oh,
so
look, you cut me hand. Thank you.
so this is how
You
it
have
is.
as well.
It's
No,
running
you cut my
away.
hand open.
So sorry. It's your hand.
Oh, there. Just stag me now.
I didn't have long nails.
You did.
So
God.
so now we can see that water. It was down lower this morning, so it's coming up again. So it is tight and in and out. So I am now going to have a lot of relaxing afternoon. So we went for lunch and drink, and also we have looking at. I think we have a lot to do today. We went walking around and went to Harbour Bay, where we have all the boats and ferries, and people went on cruising. Everything happened. So unfortunately it was very cold and windy, so we have to come back because the wind was too much there and it was not sunny. So that is why we are back a bit early to carry on with our vlogging. So this is how it's going to be. So every day we are here in the balcony and doing balcony wave. So let me turn my camera this way around, so it's not going to be. So this is the environment, the other side of it. So I'm just facing this side, and thank you for watching. So I'm just going to go inside and out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And have a wonderful day. No, you're smoking. Don't worry, I'm just going inside. So, thank you everybody, and bye. Bye bye. So this is the inside house. So I'm coming back again here. So we got a nice apartment. Everybody is doing well so far. We had a lovely day. So we won't have to cook here too much because it is not our duty to keep cooking while we are on holiday. So that's why we are in to eat out and come and relax here. We only do breakfast here, and also if you want to do snacking, we can snacks here as well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, no,
we're going to have a nap. Some people will have a nap and resting, while some people would carry on going round and round and round and round. So this is going to be a very lovely and wonderful, relaxing time for Demila. So maybe tomorrow we're going to have something very unique to do, something very, very unique to do. So you could see there's always things. Every time we have so many things to do. So I don't know. So this is something I'm going to do. So I'm just being very happy today, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm just going out again to do our video. So let's, I'm going outside now. I'm going to do something here again. So let me see my focusing this time around. So I'm just going to, I think this is, so this is a very wonderful time. Everything is wet here because it was raining yesterday. So it's so nice to be outside in the garden. So I just have to sit down here and enjoy the weather. I'm just going to sit down and enjoy the weather today. So it's been a nice, wonderful day for everybody. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'm just going to sit down and enjoy my day. So
that's a wet chair you sit on.
right. Yeah. So it's so nice and relaxing today. I'm so happy.
You need a jacket though today because it's quite cold.
So I'm very warm by myself. I don't feel cold at all because naturally I'm always hot. So it's good for me to come here in this weather. So if it's too hot, it's not going to be good. So I just have to be in this cold environment. So
Do you want a cup of tea? Look?
no, I'm alright for now. Thank you.
Good, makes a cup of tea, right?
It's always right. It's going to make a cup of tea as usual.
You sure?
So, just chilling out. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So I'll be going down in the other side later on to do some videos. So as I said, this is me in my holiday place. So thank you for watching our channel. So I'm just taking the camera again to the other side. So this is the other side of the balcony. So I'm going to take it up again. There's a lot of people walking around. I'm trying to make it clearer. So you could see how it is. So lovely and clear. So this is a very nice way to stay and do my video. So I love it. So I'm so nice. So I'll be doing my dancing later on. So it's been a long time I've done dancing. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm just showing you around everywhere. So I'm coming back again. So the sun is coming out a bit again. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a wonderful day, and bye.